Welcome to lesson 9. This is where you stop learning and start shipping. You have 5 days, 5 wins, 1 per day. By Friday, you'll have shipped 5 things people notice. No theory, no setup. You follow the plan. You ship the win. You move to the next day. Here's what we're going to cover today. 5 shippable wins you'll complete in 1 week. Day-by-day plan with exact prompts, and how to document and share results. By the end, you take this challenge, you ship 5 wins, you save 60 to 90 minutes total. Your one job, do 1 win per day for 5 days, and share what you shipped in our free school community. That's it. Let's start with why shipping matters more than learning. You've learned the basics, you know how to prompt, you know what works in your corporate environment, but learning doesn't matter if you don't ship. Shipping means you finished something, you sent it to someone, and they used it. Learning means you watched a video and nodded along. Most people get stuck there. They watch tutorials, they take notes, they plan to use AI next week. Next week becomes next month. Next month becomes never. These challenges fix that. 3 things shipping does. First, it proves you use AI. So when someone asks you if you use AI, you don't say, I'm learning. You say, I shipped 5 things last week. That's different. Second, it builds confidence. Each win you ship makes the next one easier. By day 5, you're not scared of AI anymore. Third, it makes you visible. People notice when you ship fast. Wait, how did you do that so fast? Is the question you want. Here are your 5 wins. Day 1, turn a long document into an executive summary. Day 2, turn meeting notes into an action plan. Day 3, clean up a messy spreadsheet. Day 4, rewrite your resume or LinkedIn headline. Day 5, turn a content idea into a full outline. Each win takes 10 to 20 minutes. Each win solves a real problem. Each win is something you can show people. Let's start with day 1, the executive summary from a long document. Pick a document you need to read but haven't had time for. A report, a proposal, a strategy deck, something sitting in your inbox making you feel guilty. This is why it matters. Your manager sends you a 40-page report and asks for your thoughts by the end of day. The old way, you'd spend 2 hours reading it, hope you got caught up on the important parts, and then the new way is 90 seconds with AI. Get the main points, read the full report only if needed. Here's the prompt for day 1. It includes the role, objective, instructions, context, and format. Pause this screen to copy the prompt. This is how you would ship it. You want to upload your document to Copilot or Gemini, paste the prompt above in the last slide, fill in the context with your specific situation, and submit it. Then review the output and edit if needed. Email it to your team or add to the project folder. Time, 5 to 10 minutes total. Send the summary to someone who needs it, your manager, your team, the person who sent you the original document. Include this line. Here's the summary you're asked for. Full report attached if you want details. That's day 1. Ship it. Day 2. Here's your meeting action plan. Take notes from your last meeting. They're probably messy, half sentences, random thoughts, names without context. You sit in a meeting for an hour and everyone agrees to do things. Meeting ends. 2 days later, no one remembers who owns what. An action plan fixes that with clear owners, clear deadlines, clear next steps. Here's your prompt for an action plan. It includes the role, objective, instructions, context, and format. Pause this screen so you can copy the prompt for an action plan. How to ship it. Copy your messy meeting notes, paste into Copilot or Gemini with the prompt. fill in the context, and submit. Review the table, fix any wrong owners or dates, and then send to everyone who was in the meeting. That's day 2. Ship it. Day 3, we're going to clean up a spreadsheet. Find a spreadsheet that makes you angry. It's got inconsistent formatting, duplicate rows, missing data, the one you've been avoiding for weeks. Messy data costs you time, 30 to 45 minutes fixing duplicates, standardizing formats, filling blanks. Clean data saves you time. It also prevents errors in reports and charts. Here's your prompt for day 3, cleaning up messy data. You can see the role, objective, instructions, context, and format. Again, pause the screen to copy the prompt. And here's how you ship it. Export your messy spreadsheet to a CSV file. Upload it to Copilot or Gemini. Paste the prompt. Customize the instructions for your data, and then submit it. Then download the clean data version, compare to the original, review flagged items manually, and save the clean file with a new name. You can put the clean version in your shared drive. You can send a Slack or a Teams message. Clean the spreadsheet is ready. Old version is in the archived folder. That's day 3. Ship it. Day 4, rewrite your resume or LinkedIn headline. Pick one, not both. Either update your resume for 2026 or rewrite your LinkedIn headline. Why updating your resume matters. Your resume was probably last updated in 2022. It doesn't mention AI. It doesn't mention automation. It doesn't mention the tools you use now. Companies hiring in 2026 want to see that you understand new tools. Here's the prompt. This one is for your resume. Here's the role, objective, instructions, context, and format. Pause the screen if you're going to redo your resume. Here's the prompt if you're going to redo your LinkedIn headline. The role changed to be a personal branding consultant, and the objective changed to rewrite my LinkedIn headline to show I use AI to solve business problems. Pause the screen to copy the prompt. And here's how you ship it. Copy your current resume or LinkedIn headline. Paste into Copilot or Gemini with the appropriate prompt. Fill in the context. Submit. Review the draft. Edit it to sound like you, and update LinkedIn or save your resume. Time 8 to 12 minutes total. That's day 4. Ship it. Day 5, we're going to turn a content idea to a full outline. Think of something you need to write. A presentation, a proposal, a team update, an email campaign, anything where you're staring at a blank page. Starting with a blank page is hard. You waste 30 minutes figuring out structure, another 20 minutes deciding what goes where. Starting with an outline is easy. You fill in the blanks instead of creating from scratch. And here's the prompt. Pause the screen to copy the prompt. And here's how we're going to ship it. Decide what you need to write, paste the prompt into Copilot or Gemini, fill in your specific details, submit. Review the outline, add or remove sections as needed, and start filling in the first section. 5 to 10 minutes for an outline, then continue filling it in. Take the outline, fill in the first section right now, even if it's rough, or hand the outline to someone on your team to run with. That's day 5. Ship it. Here's your job for next week. Pick one win per day, Monday through Friday. Follow the prompts I gave you. Customize them for your situation. Edit what comes back and ship it to someone. Track your time. Write down which win was easiest and write down which win was the hardest. Share your results in the free school community. Post screenshots. Tell people what you shipped. By Friday, you will have shipped 5 wins with tangible deliverables that went to real people, not drafts sitting in your folder, actual work that landed in someone's inbox or feed. 60 to 90 minutes total saved time. You've documented time savings that prove AI isn't just hype. You'll have the numbers to back up your efficiency gains. 5 things people noticed. Real responses from colleagues, managers, or your network. People will see you're shipping quality work faster. And proof you ship things. This matters more than you think. When someone asks if you use AI, you won't say, I'm learning. You'll say, I shipped 5 things last week. That's fundamentally different. And the last one matters more than you think. The ability to consistently ship is what separates people who talk about AI from people who use it to get ahead. This week builds that muscle memory. That's different. 3 problems you'll likely hit this week. Problem number 1, the output is wrong. The AI gives you something that doesn't make sense, wrong names, wrong numbers, wrong format. The fix? Edit it. Add more context to your prompt. Be more specific about what you want. Try again. AI is a tool, and tools need direction. Problem number 2, you don't have time. You're too busy. You'll do it next week, but you never get to it. The fix? Each win takes 10 to 20 minutes. You have time. You're just choosing not to do it. Put it on your calendar. Monday, 2 p.m., executive summary. Tuesday, 2 p.m., meeting notes, and so on. Treat it like a meeting you can't skip. Problem 3, you're waiting for it to be perfect. The output is 80% right, but not perfect. You want to polish it more before you ship it. Fix? Ship it anyway. You've heard the saying, done is better than perfect. Send the 80% version now. Update it later if needed. Most people won't notice. The ones who do will appreciate the speed. That's it. This is what you've learned. 5 shippable wins: an executive summary, meeting action plan, spreadsheet cleanup, resume or LinkedIn, a content outline, a day-by-day plan with exact prompts, how to handle when output is wrong, and why shipping matters more than perfecting. In the next lesson, lesson 10, we're going to cover manager strategy planning, including tactical prompts versus strategic prompts. We're going to draft quarterly OKRs for your team, 3 strategic planning tasks every manager does, and how to assess team capabilities with AI. We're also going to build hiring business case in 15 minutes. 2026 is fast approaching. It's the perfect timing to master using AI for strategic planning. January is when most of the strategic planning happens. You have everything you need: 5 wins, 5 days, 1 per day. Start Monday, ship Friday. Join the challenge in the free school community. Share your wins. Visit thisisflowai.com and follow Flow AI on LinkedIn for updates. See you in lesson 10. Now go ship something.